Hey guys, I am CJ, the Blackstone Bart. Have you ever tried to say that fast?
No.
Like 3 times fast. Try it real quick. Blackstone
Three
Bartender.
times fast.
Go.
Blackstone Bartender, Blackstone Bartender, Blackstone Bartender.
Okay, so you proved me wrong. Let's have Betty say it 3 times fast.
Okay, ready, Betty, go.
Blackstone Bartender, Blackstone Bartender, no, I can't do it.
All right. So, it's a gorgeous day outside. Nate, what are we making, my friend?
We are making the Rum Runner.
No? Alrighty. First off, you are going to need a lot of things, but none of least is which? Is that none of least? Least of which? Least of which?
Let's start with ice.
A shaker with some ice. Now I'm not gonna add too much ice because we are gonna add a whole lot of ingredients to chill. The Rum Runner is fun because there's a ton of booze in this, and it does not taste like it at all. In fact, Nate and I, what was that restaurant that we went to?
We were in Clearwater.
Yep.
At the Palm Pavilion.
Yes.
Yeah.
That was fun. I should show a clip.
We are in the great state of Florida, the Sunshine State. We're here at the Palm Pavilion in Clearwater Beach. Everyone's pretty friendly. We just met this guy.
How you doing, man? Rock on.
Right off on.
Oh, that'll get ya. That'll get ya.
You drink from your glass, and I'll drink from my glass.
The battle of wits has begun.
Yeah, so we had a blast doing that, and it's really a great drink. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make that at home. We are going to start off with some banana liqueur. So all of this is just gonna be one part. So I'm making a couple drinks. So we're moving on is to some spiced rum. Now some people you prefer like a different dark rum. So we are going to do those parts there. All right, so that's number 2. Number 3, we are going to do a white rum. Rumpelstiltskin's a good man. We are going to move on to blackberry liqueur. Actually, this is, what did I get here? This is a brandy. Our parts there. Then we're moving on to our orange juice.
No pulp.
No pulp. Next is pineapple juice, which we've been doing a lot with pineapple juice. So refreshing and delicious. And
So we're at about 1 ounce of everything, even the fruit juices?
Definitely the fruit juices. The one thing that we're not gonna add an ounce of is our last ingredient, and that is our grenadine. This is gonna add a fun color, a fun sweetness.
Little dab will do you?
A little dab. But then we are gonna top this bad boy off.
Like your technique.
Thanks, bro. Years of shaking. All right, have I said this before, how much I don't like the shaker?
Well, get a new one, guy.
It's yours, guy.
Okay.
Touché. All right, so we've got a couple of fun glasses here because it is a very summer style drink.
Oh yeah.
We could be done there, but wait, there's more. We're gonna do a couple of these guys right here. And just when you think we're done,
But wait, there's more.
even more. We are going to drop on a topper of some spiced rum. This is going to make the drink, well, you know what it's gonna make the drink.
Oh, it just sits on top too.
Yep.
That's nice. So you can stir it in if you want, or sip it.
We like to sip it. You acquire a couple of straws.
That looks delicious.
I know. Let's do it. For this recipe and more, you guys know what to do. Go to blackstoneproducts.com. Leave comments on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Let us know what you guys would like to see. In the meantime, YouTube.
I like the way you said that.
I forgot where I was.
Cheers.
I'm the Blackstone Bartender. Till next time. Cheers, guys. Tell me, can you even taste the alcohol?
Nope.